Hello to all the seniors watching Holistic Health 24H. Blueberries, a small fruit packed with powerful benefits. They're well known for their antioxidant properties, and they're great for heart health, brain function, and even the skin. Many seniors have added blueberries to their daily diet in hopes of naturally improving their health. But there's something most people overlook. Eating blueberries the wrong way, especially when combining them with certain seemingly harmless foods, can actually backfire. In fact, it might even cancel out all the amazing benefits blueberries offer. So what are those foods? And why can they negatively affect seniors' health when eaten with blueberries? Today, Holistic Health 24H will share 3 foods to avoid when eating blueberries so you don't unintentionally turn a healthy snack into a harmful habit. Don't skip this, because you might be using these very items every day without realizing it. 1. Bottled fruit juice. Many seniors have a habit of pairing blueberries with a glass of bottled fruit juice in the morning, thinking it's a quick and easy way to get vitamins and antioxidants. However, this combination should be avoided, and it can actually do more harm than good. The first reason is the high sugar content. Bottled juices, whether orange, grape, pomegranate, or apple, often contain large amounts of refined sugar or corn syrup. Many products are marketed as 100% natural juice, but are still heavily filtered to remove fiber, and then additives like preservatives and artificial flavors are added to extend shelf life. This process makes the glycemic index of the juice extremely high, not much different from soda. When combined with blueberries, which already contain natural sugars, the total sugar intake can exceed safe levels in just one serving. Secondly, there's the negative impact on antioxidant function. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect cells, reduce inflammation, and slow degeneration. However, when combined with the chemicals found in bottled juice, such as artificial citric acid, food coloring, or stabilizers, the valuable compounds in blueberries can be broken down. This not only reduces their effectiveness, but also limits how much nutrition the body actually absorbs. Another important concern is the digestive effect. Seniors often have weaker digestion and produce fewer digestive enzymes. Drinking bottled juice that contains acid, sugar, and preservatives along with blueberries, which are slightly acidic themselves, can lead to bloating, indigestion, or even mild diarrhea. This discomfort after eating may leave seniors feeling tired, less interested in food, and negatively affect their main meals for the day. Additionally, the empty calories from sweet fruit juice can lead to uncontrolled weight gain. Some seniors who experience unexplained weight gain may actually be consuming too much liquid sugar from juice and improperly combined foods like this. So, what's the recommendation? If you want to drink something while eating blueberries, choose plain water, warm water, or an unsweetened herbal tea. These options won't interfere with the benefits of blueberries and can even aid digestion and help balance the body's energy levels. A small adjustment in eating habits, avoiding bottled fruit juice when consuming blueberries, can make a significant difference in long-term senior health. 2. Sweetened yogurt. Yogurt and blueberries are a familiar pairing in the breakfast routines of many seniors. A chilled cup of yogurt topped with fresh blueberries may sound healthy. However, the real issue lies in the type of yogurt being used. If it's sweetened yogurt, this combination can actually be counterproductive, especially for the health of older adults. Most store-bought yogurts today, especially flavored ones like strawberry, vanilla, or mango, contain high amounts of sugar. Many of these products are also loaded with corn syrup, refined sugar, artificial sweeteners, or chemical flavorings to make them more appealing and palatable. When eaten with blueberries, which already contain natural sugars, the total sugar intake in the meal spikes significantly. This is particularly concerning for seniors. As the metabolism slows down and insulin response weakens, even a single high-sugar meal can cause blood sugar to rise quickly and then crash, leading to fatigue, hand tremors, headaches, or even dizziness. Not to mention the potential for worsening insulin resistance, diabetes, or chronic inflammation, common health issues in older age. Furthermore, the sugars and additives in sweetened yogurt can reduce the bioactivity of blueberries. Anthocyanins, the main antioxidant compounds in blueberries, may be neutralized or less effectively absorbed when combined with a high-sugar, chemically sweetened food. As a result, instead of gaining heart and memory protection, the body ends up facing hidden inflammation and metabolic disruption. On top of that, older adults with sensitive digestive systems can easily be affected by yogurts containing thickeners and preservatives. Common symptoms may include bloating, stomach rumbling, indigestion, or even mild, prolonged diarrhea. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Choose unsweetened yogurt, preferably plain Greek yogurt. This type is high in protein, low in carbohydrates, and free from added sugars and artificial flavorings. When paired with fresh blueberries, it makes a snack that's great for digestion and helps preserve all the nutritional benefits of the fruit. You can also add a few healthy nuts like walnuts, flax seeds, or almonds to increase the meal's value and help you stay full longer. Seniors don't have to give up the habit of eating yogurt with blueberries. Just by making one small change, you can turn this familiar dish into a part of a healthy lifestyle, supporting a stronger body and sharper mind each day. 3. Processed breakfast. Cereals. Breakfast cereal is a popular choice because it's convenient and quick, especially when paired with blueberries, which add fiber and natural sweetness. However, what many seniors don't realize is that most processed breakfast cereals on the market are far less healthy than they appear. Let's start with the ingredients. Many boxed cereals, especially flavored ones like honey, chocolate, or dried fruit, contain a very high amount of refined sugar. A single serving can contain anywhere from 8 to 15 grams of sugar, not to mention the refined carbohydrates that rapidly convert to sugar in the bloodstream. When combined with blueberries, this seemingly healthy breakfast turns into a sugar overload that the aging body struggles to handle. What happens next? Blood sugar spikes rapidly, then crashes, leaving seniors feeling tired, drained, and hungry again within a few hours. For those managing diabetes, this is especially dangerous. It also increases the risk of belly fat, high blood pressure, and cholesterol imbalances, all factors that raise the risk of cardiovascular complications. The second concern is additives and preservatives. To enhance crunchiness, flavor, and shelf life, manufacturers often add artificial flavors, anti-moisture agents, and food dyes. These ingredients are not ideal for the sensitive digestive systems of older adults. Some may experience bloating, indigestion, stomach rumbling, or even mild allergy-like symptoms without knowing the cause. Furthermore, certain cereals also contain gluten and cheap refined vegetable oils, which can trigger inflammation if consumed regularly. For seniors dealing with joint problems or degenerative conditions, these additives may worsen aches and discomfort. So, what's the solution? If you enjoy the convenience of cereal and want to eat it with blueberries, choose plain, unprocessed oats, preferably with no added sugar or flavoring. Oats have a low glycemic index and are rich in beta-glucan-soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and supports heart health. You can soak the oats in warm water or unsweetened milk overnight and add fresh blueberries in the morning. Sprinkle some flax seeds, chia seeds, or cinnamon on top for extra flavor and nutritional value. By simply avoiding boxed cereals that are loaded with sugar and additives, seniors can fully benefit from the power of blueberries without added health risks. These small but smart choices, when made consistently, can significantly improve long-term health and mental clarity in older age. Blueberries are an excellent food for senior health, but only when eaten with the right companions. The 3 things to avoid when eating blueberries are bottled fruit juice, sweetened yogurt, and processed breakfast cereals. These products are often high in sugar and artificial additives, which can reduce the antioxidant power of blueberries and negatively impact blood sugar and digestion. With just a few simple adjustments, seniors can fully unlock the benefits of blueberries. Don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Health 24H for more helpful tips on staying strong and healthy in your golden years.